In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Digistore24 to make anything from $100 to $1,000 a day, even as a complete beginner. But not only that, I'm going to show you how to take one product and multiply the earnings by 3 using the affiliate resources that Digistore24 gives us on their website. And the best part is that this method is absolutely free and available worldwide. And I'm going to show you everything step by step. But before I show you how you can do that, comment your country down below. And that way, I'll know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And if you like to make money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to the channel because I post videos every single week with different money-making methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed, I could post a video tomorrow or next week that could have been a video that could have changed the game for you forever. So now that you've subscribed to the channel and maxed out your chances to make money online, let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can use Digistore24 to make money online, even as a complete beginner. So the first thing that you want to do is just go over to Digistore24 and create an account and log in. And once you log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. You just want to make sure that you click onto the marketplace. And here on the left, you have a list of categories. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with the dating, love, and relationships niche. So we're just going to click on this. And there's a lot of offers in the dating and relationships niche where the resources will literally do all of the work for you. And that's exactly what I'm getting ready to show you. So if we just take a look here at his secret obsession, you will see that it converts at 90% and you can earn as much as $33.07 per sale. And this is your affiliate link here, so you would just copy this to promote this offer. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're just going to open up the sales page and the affiliate support page. And if we go over here and look at the sales page, you will see that it has a video presentation and it also gives you the option to skip to the text presentation. But overall, this is the sales page and this is what people are going to see when they click through to your offer. Now, if I just go here and click on skip to the text presentation, it's basically the same sales page, but instead of video, it's just going to be all text and people could just read through here and look at the offer and get more information. And now if we go to the affiliate support page, you'll see that we got banners, sample emails, promotion links, custom reports, product reviews, etc. Now, if I click here on custom reports, we're going to get a drop down. And as you can see, we've got custom PDF reports, text and HTML reports. So we're just going to click on custom PDF reports, and then we're going to enter our email. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video and click get started now. Check I'm not a robot. And then that's going to bring us to this page. And if we look here, we've got image and video ads, and we've also got articles and landing pages. So if I go to image and video ads and click here, we're going to get a drop down. And the first way that we're going to make money using Digistore24 is going to be on Instagram. So we're just going to click here. And then if I just go here and scroll down, we've got 2 months of Instagram posts that's literally already done for us. So I'm just going to scroll back up to the top and click on download all full resolution zip. And as you can see, it's downloading to our computer. And once it's downloaded, I'm just going to open it up, but I have to extract these images. So what I'm going to do is right click, and then I'm going to extract all, and I want to browse for a location. So I'm just going to click browse, and then I'm going to keep it in my downloads. So I'm just going to go over here and select downloads. Now I'm going to select a new folder, and I'll just name it Instagram post. So I'm just going to click here and I'm going to select that folder and extract. So if I go to my downloads and open the folder up, Instagram post, and click here, we've actually got all of these different kinds of posts that we can just upload to Instagram. And we have about 2 months worth here. So if I just go ahead and open this up, these posts look really nice, clean, and it's even got the name of the product here at the bottom, Become His Secret Obsession. And now that we got these posts to use, you want to create a very simple Instagram account. I pulled this one up. As you can see, they named it relationship_quotes.world. And if you look at the posts here, they're really plain. They don't have any nice images or anything like that, but they're basically doing the same exact thing that you will be doing. And they're still getting views. If we look here, this has 214 likes. This has 230 likes, 270. So they're getting a lot of views, 307 here. And if we scroll up to the top and look at the profile, I'm just going to click this link here. And that's going to bring me to this page. If I go ahead and click on marriage and relationship guide, that's going to open up this product here. And this is actually a ClickBank product. And this is exactly what you would be doing. You just want to make sure that you're consistent. You already have the post done for you. You just want to make sure that you keep uploading these posts to Instagram. So now what you want to do is just go back to Digistore24 and copy your affiliate link. And then you could use a link shortening website, something like Bit.ly, put the long link here and just shorten it. And then you would just put your affiliate link in your Instagram profile. And that's the first way that you can make money with Digistore24. The second way is to go back to the affiliate support page, and we're just going to click on articles and landing pages and just select article landing pages. And then you just want to scroll down and click start the articles download. And it's going to download to your computer. I already downloaded it earlier just to save some time. So now if I go to my downloads and I just open up my folder of the extracted articles, the articles that we want to use is going to be the rich HTML articles. So I'm just going to open this up. And if I was to open this article up here, and then you want to open up the indexed article. These articles look really nice, really clean. They even have videos in them. They also have your affiliate links in these articles. If I just look through here and find where okay, right here. So click here to learn more. That's actually going to take them to the affiliate sales page. And anytime someone clicks through and makes a purchase, you're going to make money. So they already have your affiliate links in these articles. And they're really clean, nice, and laid out for you. And the way that you will use these articles is just go to a website called Slideshare.net. And basically this website will allow you to upload different types of articles. If you look here, people upload different types of articles to this website, and this website gets hundreds of thousands to millions of views monthly. If I was to go here to search and enter relationships, you can just look through here and see pages of articles that's been uploaded in regards to relationships, and there's literally pages of them. So what you would do is just scroll up to the top and just click on upload and select the file that you wanted to upload to the site. So everything is really simple because it's already been done for us on the affiliate support page, and that was the second way that you could do it. Now the third way that you could do it is to go to articles and landing pages and select custom PDF reports. And you could also upload these custom PDF reports on Slideshare. So now what we want to do is just scroll down and you could select either one of these that you wanted to use. And you would do that by this little drop down here. As you can see, it already has momentum method selected for us. But you would just hit this drop down and you could select any PDF report that you wanted. For now, I'm just going to leave momentum method there. And then here you want to make sure that you enter your Digistore24 ID. This is going to put your affiliate link inside of the custom PDF report. To get your Digistore24 ID, you just want to go back to Digistore24. You can find that in the upper right corner. Mine is Money Mark. So I'm just going to go back here and enter Money Mark. And then you just want to scroll down and check off I'm not a robot and generate personalized PDF. And then it's going to generate the PDF for you. So everything is literally done for you with your affiliate links included. So if I just look through here and we just scroll through this PDF, you can see right here at the free presentation, that's actually the sales page with the video. So every time someone clicks through to that sales page for the free presentation and makes a purchase, you're going to make money with affiliate sales. So what you can do is just go into the browser and copy this link. And this is how you're going to share this PDF report. And then once you copy that link, you could go back to Bit.ly to shorten the link, and you could just put that link in your Instagram profile. Or you can go to PDFSlite.net. You can upload as many different PDFs as you like. And the good thing about this is that you already have the PDFs, so all you have to do is upload them. Now, if I go up here and go into the search and search relationships, you can look here at the top results and see all of the PDFs that's been uploaded to this website in regards to relationships. So what you would do is just scroll up to the top and click on upload file. And then you would just create a free account and upload as many PDFs as you like to this website. And all you need to do is combine all three of these different strategies to make money with Digistore24, and you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.